Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. This second Blender 3D trick video is to show you how to use a bevel on a plane to get rounded sides or not. After opening Blender, we remove the cube by clicking on Delete. After that, we click on Shift plus A, then on Mesh and finally on Plane. Now we change his size to 5. We will next switch from object mode to edit mode. Thereafter, we click on Ctrl plus R button and then we click twice on the Enter button of the keyboard. After that, we select the two following vertices. Afterward, we click on Ctrl plus the B button and then on the Enter button. Next, we change the width value to 0.5 and then we click on vertices as shown. Now, we will increase the value of the width until we reach the value 2. To get rounded sides, we just need to change the value of the segments. We have increased the value until we reach 9. This is an example on how you can use Bevel on a plane. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.